continue with the weak verbs in 3 forms. To form the weak verbs, we look at the present, and to form the past, it ends in ed, t and d. We have some more to do. We'll continue. Okay. Now, when you take letter P, let's see what are the words we have here. Pay. For the present, we have pay. Then you say in the past tense, you will say paid. Past participle also paid. Most of the past and past participle same. So pay, you pay the bill, paid. D ends in D, again paid. Okay, another word we have here is prove. You're given a sum to solve. You prove this is that. Then you say you proved. Or somebody says you've been not good. You have to prove, no, I was good. Proved. So prove, proved. Prove. Proved. Again ending in D. And the past participle also same. Proved. Proof, proved. Then we have raise. Raise, raised. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Then you say, yes, I raised my hand. Raise, raised, raised. Then we have rend. Rent and rend. Rent and rend. Next we have say. You say something, present, said. Say, said. Say. You say something that the present, past, said. Past participle also, said. Then we have seek. You will say sought. You went to seek someone. Seek something. You sought that. Seek, sought. Seek, sought. Future also, past participle also, sought. Sell. You have something to sell. When you finish, you say, I sold it. Sell, sold. Sell, sold. Past also, participle also, sold. Sell, sold. Send. You want to send someone or send a letter. That's send. And when you finish doing it, the past will be T. Sent. You sent the letter. Then we have sew. You have a sewing machine and you love to sew something. Then you'll say you sewed. Finish stitching, sewed. And for the future, for the past participle, you can say sewed, or you can also say soon. Sewed and soon you can say. Shave, you can say shave. Finish shaving, shaved. Mommy gives you a couple of pencils to shave. You'll say, I shaved. Or the teacher, shaved. Then you'll say shaven. Shave. Shaved. For the participle, you can say shaven. I have shaven those pencils. Now, let's look at the weak verbs in P, R and S. Pay for the present, paid, paid. Prove, proved, proved. Raise, raised, raised. Rent, rent, rent. Say, said, said. Seek, sought, sought. Sell, sold, sold. Sent, sent, sent. Sue, sued or sewn. Shave, shaved, shaven. Now these are, we are working on the weak verbs and we have just few more to go to.